Hello students. Today we will discuss about present perfect versus simple past tense. That means we will see that how we will get to know when we have to use present perfect or when we have to use simple past. Means both they talk about the action which was done in the past. So how we will get to know when to use which tense, present perfect or simple past. So let us see first. There are few points which we have to keep in mind. So here it is given, present perfect tense expresses the completion of an action at present moment. Completion of action at present moment. While the simple past expresses action which happened at a definite time, which is over. So present perfect expresses the action completed at the present moment, whereas the simple past expresses action which happened at a definite time, which is over. Let us see the example. I have eaten an apple. I ate an apple yesterday. Now see both the examples. I have eaten an apple, that means just now I have finished. I took apple just before minute. So I ate an apple yesterday, that means some specific time is given at a definite time, right? So when it is given definite time in the past, so we will use past simple. An adverb of past time, for example yesterday, last night, are often used in the simple past while they are never used in the present perfect. So they are not used in the present perfect. In simple past, adverb of past time are used. Yesterday, last night. Example, I have had a sound sleep. I had a sound sleep last night. So both are correct, but first sentence is present perfect, since here is not given any adverb of past time. Next is, here you have to keep in mind that never, it is the headline, but never. So I have had a sound sleep last night. So this is wrong, right? Since it is given I have had. So have plus had is have plus third form. So it is perfect tense. But adverb of time last night is given. So here we should use simple past tense. But if we are using I have had, so it is perfect tense. That is wrong. Present perfect tense express the present state of a completed action, that is, it establishes its relationship with present. The simple past has no relation with the present. I have shared this apartment with my friend for 4 months. I shared this apartment with my friend for 4 years. So in both the sentences, this is in first sentence you see I have shared. So I have shared, here it is present perfect and no adverb of time is given. So that means there is connection, relationship with present only, action relationship with the present only. But when it is here in the second sentence, in this sentence I shared. So shared is simple past tense. So no relation with present. That means I used to live with my friend 4 years in the past. The first sentence implies that I still share the apartment, while the second sentence means that now I do not share this apartment. So both the sentences have different meaning. I have shared this apartment with my friend for 4 months. Here that means still we are sharing room, but in the second sentence I shared this apartment with my friend for 4 years. That means now I do not share this apartment with my friend. So that's it, students. I hope you would have understood the difference between present perfect and simple past tense. Thank you. Have a nice day.